Hello, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. President Biden is under great pressure by top Democrats and Republicans to take action as soon as possible for the American people. The Biden administration is now looking into a new social spending bill that would include monthly recurring checks for all Americans. Friends, this is your daily news report, and for its stimulus check update, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter today's giveaway, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and then make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Of tying healthcare to employer-based coverage. Some 27 million people lost their jobs, and when they lost their jobs, they lost their healthcare. In your view, should healthcare be something that all people are entitled to because they are human beings, or should it be, in most cases, attached to their employment? And when it's attached to their employment, it may well be, I have a good job and I have great health care coverage. He doesn't have a good job, his coverage is minimal. Is that system making sense to you as a physician?
Well, it doesn't make sense either medically or financially. For one thing, you constantly hear the critique of Medicare for All that it would take away people's private health insurance. As you said, people are losing private health insurance all the time because they got fired, they got laid off, they turned 65 and gained access to Medicare. So it doesn't make sense. Furthermore, that sort of churn, as we call it, the constant shifting in and out of medical plans, healthcare plans, has really adverse consequences for patient care. You can imagine if you have complex medical needs, having to see a number of doctors, having to go to particular hospitals.
So another batch of stimulus checks is being sent out. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker's administration will begin rolling out $500 payments to hundreds of thousands of low-income residents. This is the first premium pay program of its kind in the United States. The state's Executive Office of Administration and Finance announced it will begin sending the payments out as soon as possible. And this, friends, is part of a $4 billion stimulus relief plan that was signed by the governor in December of 2021. The effort is meant to help some 500,000 workers who fell below the state's poverty line in 2020. According to the Biden administration, residents will be eligible for the payments if their income in 2020 was at least $12,750, and if their total income put them 300% below the poverty line. The lower end of that rate would equate to working 20 hours a week for 50 weeks at a minimum wage of $12.75 an hour. For a single filer with no dependents, the maximum total income to be eligible for the payments would be $38,280. Additionally, a resident who files with a spouse and 2 dependents, or with no spouse and 3 dependents, may be eligible with a household income of up to $78,600. However, those who receive unemployment benefits in 2020 will not qualify for the extra money. An administration official told NBC News that the eligibility requirements were limited to income thresholds because it was faster, simpler, and more inclusive way of getting the payments out the door. Friends, this is really great news for many families because I know right now is a very difficult time for millions of Americans. That is why it's extremely important that the Biden administration continues to pass more relief legislation. After much criticism from parents and politicians, President Biden's administration has finally announced steps today to ease a nationwide shortage of baby formula. This new plan includes reopening the largest domestic manufacturing plant and increasing imports from overseas. The FDA said it was streamlining its review process to make it easier for foreign manufacturers to begin shipping more formula into the U.S. FDA Commissioner Robert Califf told reporters today, the FDA expects that the measures and steps it's taking with infant formula manufacturers and others. This means that more and more supply is on the way or on store shelves moving forward. Robert Califf also said that the U.S. will prioritize companies that can provide the largest shipments and quickly show documentation that their formula are safe and compatible with U.S. nutrition standards. The policy is structured as a temporary measure lasting 6 months. The imports announcement came shortly after regulators said they had reached a deal to allow Abbott Nutrition to restart its Sturgis, Michigan-based plant, which has been closed since February of this year. The company must overhaul its safety protocols and procedures before resuming production. Neither steps will have an immediate effect on tight supplies that have left many parents searching for formula online or in food banks. After getting the FDA's okay, Abbott said it would take 8 to 10 weeks before new products begin arriving in store shelves. But the company did not set a timeline to restart manufacturing. Friends, the keyword for this video is ostrich. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is ostrich, and additional keywords of any other video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. According to the Biden administration, getting imports into the U.S. supply chain will also take several weeks. Products from Australia, New Zealand, and the UK are expected to meet the standards needed for importation. But regulators said national industry data shows that most U.S. stores, on average, still have 80% of their formula inventory in stock. They suggested some of the empty shelves seen in recent days may be due to panic buying by parents. Pediatricians say that baby formulas produced in Canada and Europe are roughly equivalent to those in the U.S., but traditionally 98% of the infant formula supply in the U.S. is made domestically. Companies seeking to enter the U.S. face several major hurdles, including rigorous research and manufacturing standards imposed by the FDA. So my friends, what are your thoughts on the current baby formula shortage? And do you think that the Biden administration is doing a good job at handling this current crisis? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, friends, in a video later today, I will be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. So please stay tuned. Thanks, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.